Hello, 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 everybody. It's Christine. It is my first design team video for Color Rush Studios. It is my first unboxing, and it is the main kit. And you will now see my daughter's hand dramatically reveal the kit. Woo! All right, let's see what we have, you guys. I have opened the package that came in from the USPS, and of course pulled it out of the box just so that we didn't have to hold so much crinkles. But I haven't looked at anything else really. So I've only just kind of seen this top pieces here. So let's decide, how do we want to do this? Okay, so first up, we got our frazzles and ribbons. And you guys, I have been eyeing these, and this is so pretty, you guys. Look at this. It's kind of got this little frazzled green and white, like plaid check thing going on. Then we have the black and white, which is awesome. And these little pom-poms, you guys. I've been seeing people on their layouts tucking these in under little layers and stuff. And oh my gosh, it's so cute. And then we have this black and white floral. And I don't want to untie everything because I will make a huge mess. But you can kind of see how that is. Then we have these cute little butterflies. They are, I don't know how to describe these. They're kind of like, they're like plasticky, but not. I mean, they're obviously like flexible and they're like cloth, but you know, they got a texture to the, and there's little glitters, you guys. Look at that. How pretty is this? Look at all these little colors. Oh my gosh. Look at this. You guys, this is so cute. This little spring, it's all springtimey colors, right? So pretty. So there's our little butterflies. And then we have these cork pieces, which I love these, you guys. It's Home Sweet Home. You've got your little trees. I don't want to open this because I'm going to drop them everywhere. But you can see these little cork pieces. How cute is that, you guys? Look at this little house. Oh my gosh. And then, you guys, little corduroy strawberries. Look at this. This is so cute. So if you happen to be, I don't ever do this, but like I've seen like people talk about strawberry picking and stuff. Maybe February is not technically strawberry picking time, but everybody has photos that you can use this stuff with. So this is too cute. Little fruit things. What about strawberry ice cream, strawberry milkshakes, whatever. Oh my gosh, you guys. I didn't even see that till just now. Look at these heart doilies. Oh my gosh. And there's multiple sizes. We have 2 large and 2 small. Look at that, you guys. That is so, and look at the little rose detail. This is so pretty. Oh, and it says love on it. Look, can you see that? Can you see that, you guys? I'm sorry. I hope I'm not too high up in the light. That's so pretty. Then we have kind of the more, I think those are the exclusives, right? Those are the Color Rush exclusives. And then we get into the, I'm going to pull the papers out in a second. We have these great thickers here. Oh my God, look at this, you guys. It's almost like Neapolitan ice cream. Like you got green, white, and pink. That is so neat. I've not seen that before. And they're nice and thick. You got these 3 colored layers. And look at all the E's. Yay. It's called Flip Flop is the name of the letters. And that is so neat. That is so pretty. And then we have, looks like the collection of papers is Be Valiant. So let me move this out of the way. I'm going to pull the ephemera out in just a second because I'm going to have to open that. So let's look at our papers. I've not seen this collection. This looks like a bunch of little needlepoint. You could easily fussy cut these out, you guys. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. I can see cutting these out. And then just a really pretty tone-on-tone. I guess there's 2 sheets of that, actually. Tone-on-tone pink floral. So actually, I'll lay it like this because you can see both pages. This is just the same as that. Then, I bet there's 2 sheets of, yes, there's 2 sheets of everything. So then we have our green, like, stripe. I almost think of this as almost like a little bit like a wallpaper. Real pretty there. And then here's some banners. Again, theoretically, you could fussy cut these if you really wanted to. I could totally see that. Or even if you just kind of cut around. But that's really pretty. That's really fun. Then we have a, is this a plaid? I think this is a plaid, you guys. Don't even ask me like what pattern names are usually, but isn't this beautiful? It's got like a blue with a little pink, like a little pink tone to it. And of course this pretty like, it's a green, but it's like a soft, kind of not real green. It's more like a teal green, but really, really soft. And then the back side of that is this gorgeous floral stripe. I could see cutting these and using these as stripes. You could run it horizontally or vertically, obviously. Of course, that's the back side of that. And then we're introducing, oh my gosh, you guys, look at this little bow. Oh my God, this is so cute, this little bow. It's a pink little, like, almost looks like a ribbon printed on it. Isn't that gorgeous? And then the backside of these little strawberries. So how perfect is that with these little strawberries, you guys? That is so freaking cute. Oh my gosh. How would you decide which side to use this? Oh my goodness, that's too cute. Then we have this, that's all, yeah, it's all Be Valiant. Okay, Poppy and Pear, Be Valiant. Okay. Then we have a more subtle, like black, it's not white, it's more like a off-white floral. Again, you could fussy cut these if you want to. But then it has this awesome little black and white, I want to call these the little Woodstock words, like, but it's a great little stripe. This is so interesting because it's always this visual, like optical illusion in a way. Every time I look at these. But what a great neutral. Then we have this great picture frame. And again, I mean, you could totally fussy cut these out as well and use these for little embellishment clusters. All these little picture frames. And I have done that. I love doing that with these little picture frame things. They're just great little cluster bases. And then the backside is this beautiful, I don't think this is a daffodil because daffodils have those poofy ones that come out the middle. But it's a gorgeous yellow floral. And I love this green on here, you guys. Look at this. How beautiful are these two together? Oh, that's so pretty. And then we have another one of those. So I will flip that over. And then we have a purple floral, which y'all, I'm predicting purple in collections this year. I'm just predicting it right now. I've seen a lot of purple kind of bubbling up, and I'm seeing this purple. And this is so pretty. This beautiful little small floral here. She's so delicate and dainty. I just love that. And then y'all, these houses are freaking adorable. And look at this. You got the little banners, and there's little carts, little trees. Oh my gosh. A little post office. Oh my goodness. Bookstore. This is too cute, y'all. Too friggin' cute. And then that's just the back side of that floral. So let us look at our ephemeras. Let me grab a little tray here. And let's see what we got going on here. Because these, I'll bet, are going to be adorable. I'm just going to yank them open. Sorry. Yanking them open. We're doing it. Let's see what we got going on here. How can I open this? Am I going to have to get scissors? No. Here we go. Okay. What do we have? Did I drop that or was that from before? That was from before. Don't worry about that. So these are, oh, a little vellum lantern with low gold foiling. These are, you poke these out. That's little florals with little berries on them. Look at this little dog, you guys. How cute is that? My daughter has a dog. I may have to do something with that. Little purple flower. A yellow flower. There's our yellow flower again. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my gosh. Gold foiling florals. That's beautiful. I love florals. There's a gold foiling and then a green leaf. Oh my gosh. Look at these scissors, you guys. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at those little ornate handles. They're gold foiled as well. Another little gold foiled leaf. A big, nice floral with some gold foiling in the middle. Hopefully you guys can see this. Am I under this camera? Oh my gosh, this little hand with a heart in it. That's pretty. We have a yellow floral and a green floral. Look at the little strings. This could be almost like a kite. This, could that be a kite or could that be like a thread? Maybe. Some more little florals. Oh, a hand holding a cup of tea. That's pretty. Another big, nice floral. We have a truck with special delivery. That's really pretty. That's a big, nice piece for a cluster. Look at these little pens and pencils. This is so cute, you guys. And then a hand holding a pear, which is interesting, and another floral. And then in our bigger envelope here, let's see what our bigger pieces are. Can I get this open? Let us see. Sorry about the crinkles. We got some vellum here. So I had that one piece of vellum, which was the little lantern. Oh, look at the kitty sleeping. Here's a piece of vellum, Always and Forever. A little vellum tree with gold foiling. Oh, that's pretty. A gold tree or a yellow tree with gold foiling. We have a piece of greenery that's vellum. Another little piece of greenery that's vellum. Another piece of greenery that's vellum. Oh, this is neat. Oh, I messed him up. Oh, it's okay. It'll be fine. We've got vellum light bulbs. That's a good little banner. We'll have to just glue that out. No problem. Here and Now blue floral. Those will punch out. Look at this chair, you guys. That is so pretty. It's a little vintage chair with gold foiling. A little teapot. Oh my gosh, look at this bookstore, you guys. That is too cute. We have a purple flower, a few more little florals. Oh, and a thimble. Okay, so the strings could kind of go with like sewing because there's a thimble. Little gold foiled floral and another green one. Here's one of our little needlepoint things. Some more little florals. I love all these florals we got, you guys. This is awesome. Big old nice floral here. Pink one. I love these. Look at this, you guys. This is great clusters. More flowers. Oh, and look at the little houses, you guys. Post office. Tea shop. Oh my gosh. That is too cute. Another big flower. And a couple more needle points. I just see these as really wonderful cluster bases, honestly. And then, oh, a man's hand holding a heart. Is that a man's hand? Maybe. And another floral. So, that is what we have to work with, you guys. I'm so freaking excited. This probably has a name, but I'm new to the team and I don't yet know where to find it. So I know it's the main kit, but I don't know the name yet. So I will figure that out by next month, where to figure that out. And so next month, I'll hopefully be able to tell you the names of the kits when I see it. But I know it's the main kit. So make sure you check them out. I'll drop a link and stuff below. And then I will actually have my very first design team layout go up on Saturday. We have a sketch challenge. So I will be sharing that. And you'll be seeing some of the other design team members will be doing layouts with that sketch challenge as well. So keep your eyes peeled, and I will be having all the links. And you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.